Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we're going to be learning how to turn off email notifications on Mobills application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open the Mobills application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your account as well. After you're inside the main home page, click on the More button appearing at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, tap on the gear button at the top right and select Alerts and Notifications. Select the email settings option and toggle off the button right next to Receive Notifications, which will then disable email notifications from Mobills application. That is how you can easily disable email notifications if you don't want to receive any notification from your Mobills application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.